Yo, it's Adrian, back with another video, Adrian or Honey. Today I'ma make a DA got that dope type beat. Please subscribe, please like and join the Discord. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's jump into FL Studio. Okay, I'm in FL Studio. This is the most important part. His BPM is always around, 98. I'ma keep it at 98 right now. So when you got your BPM set, you're gonna wanna go to Nexus or I'ma go to Purity. You wanna find a short bell, kind of copying of ZEZE right now, but a short bell sounds nice, DA got that dope doesn't use really chords, not really that much musical stuff in there, so just make a 4-bar melody. So just short notes, and this is the melody I made. Real simple. Now I'ma go for one of the other main parts, so the 808s. Okay, so make sure your 808s are really simple. Just repetitive but change tone. So this is the 808 pattern I will use. And now I'm gonna add the hi-hats and claps, yeah, and everything else. Boom. So it's almost done, but I'ma still add some short open hat real quick. This is actually the final beat. Boom. Or let me just lay it out real quick to show you how he lays out his beats as well, because that's very important for the artist, because he uses a lot of pauses and shit. So let me show you. Okay, so now the beat layout is complete. Really done with everything now. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please leave a like, comment too, and please subscribe, join the Discord, all that shit. Come on. Now listen to this beat and tell me what you think about it.